will guide you through how to hide all TikTok videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So for whatever reason you want to go and hide all your TikTok videos and make them private. Perhaps these are old and slightly embarrassing and you don't want others to be able to go and see them. Well, we're going to guide you through how you can do this for all of them. So you can come to your profile on TikTok in the bottom right. If I go and scroll down, you can see I've got quite a few here. So doing it, if we go through each one of them, is going to take a long time. So what we can do is going to show you a quick way of doing this. Make sure this full guide and you don't skip anything, as you may go and miss something important we're going to tell you and what you need to do in order to go about this. So make sure this full guide, and without any further ado, let's get started. So on your profile page, what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right, and you're going to go and see the three lines. What you want to do is go and tap there like so. Uh, you'll see a list of options, and you want to go down to the bottom, and there you'll go and see the option for settings and privacy, and you want to go and tap there, and this will then go and open up. Now what you need to do is you need to go down into the section content and display, and you want to go and find the option for activity center, and you want to go and tap there. This will then go and open up, and what you need to do is go down the list and find the option for manage post visibility, and you can then go and tap there like so. And here we are. So now what we can need to do is we need to go down the list and we can go and select them. So as you can see, it's a really quick process to literally scroll down and tab each one of them. Just check them all, just like that. I've now got 40 selected really quickly. And what you can then do is go and press next at the bottom. And you can select only you. This is going to hide all of them and they're going to be private. Press update. And it's now been updated. So if I come back here, I'll go and refresh. And you can see there's now nothing on my feed here, just my drafts. You can still access them by pressing the padlock to the right of the feed there. If you found this useful, then leave a like. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single